Early morning in the valley, and the dream begins. The air is crisp, and the silence is only broken by the sound of my tools. Clearing this piece of land isn't just about moving dirt, it's about laying the foundation for a new life closer to nature. It's hard work, but the vision keeps me going. Every single measurement matters here. The vision is big, extending right to the edge of the lush green rice paddies. To make this sanctuary safe and structurally sound against the wild, standard wood just won't cut it. It's time to bring in the heavy steel rebar to give this home the unbreakable backbone it needs. Mixing concrete by hand under the blazing sun is backbreaking work, but there's a deep, quiet satisfaction in knowing your own home is built on a rock-solid foundation by your own two hands. Pouring these deep footings is the ultimate promise that this house will stand the test of time and weather. They say it takes a village, and sometimes that's literally true. With a little much-needed help from the neighbors, the modern concrete pillars rise quickly from the earth. Seeing the skeleton of our off-grid sanctuary finally taking shape against the horizon gives me a massive wave of motivation. Next up, constructing the elevated platform. Suspending the house like this isn't just to capture those stunning, sweeping views of the valley, it's a crucial survival tactic. It protects the floor from ground moisture, keeps the crawling insects at bay, and ensures the entire structure stays safe from the unpredictable elements. Brick by brick, the walls slowly go up. To save costs and truly make this place mine, I decided to tackle the masonry entirely myself. It takes immense patience and a steady hand, but watching these red bricks interlock to form my future home is incredibly rewarding. Each row is a step closer to the dream. Building a house from scratch tests your physical and mental limits. There are moments of pure exhaustion, where your muscles ache in finding a comfortable place to rest in between the hard labor is tough. But looking out over the wild landscape, I remember that every single drop of sweat is an investment in this lifestyle. The walls finally reach their peak, and it's time to smooth things out. Applying a strong, thick layer of cement plaster not only strengthens the walls against the wind and rain but perfectly prepares them for the final interior touches. Walking inside, it's finally starting to echo and feel like a real, safe room. A house simply isn't a home without a strong, reliable roof over your head. Hoisting and welding the heavy steel trusses is a challenging but crucial step. I chose an A-frame designed perfect for heavy monsoon rains and custom built to endure absolutely whatever the forest decides to throw at it. Laying down the roof tiles is the final major step for the exterior shell. Taking a step back and looking at it now, all those long days, sore hands, and hard work were absolutely worth it. The main frame is completely finished, standing proud and resilient against the majestic mountain backdrop. This is just the beginning of our wild journey, and the interior is going to be even more epic. On a scale of 1 to 100, how would you rate this off-grid build so far? Let me know your honest score in the comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the final interior design and our upcoming bushcraft adventures.